Welcome to Linguaverse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bonjour et bienvenue. Welcome to French A1, Episode 8. I'm your teacher, Diana.
And I'm Avery. Bonjour, Diana. I'm ready to learn.
Fantastic, Avery. It's great to have that energy. Today we're tackling a very important and practical topic, telling the time in French. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to ask what time it is and give the time on the hour.
Oh, that's so useful. I'm always wondering how to say that.
Exactly. But first, let's do a quick warm-up, a little recap of what we've learned so far. To talk about time, we absolutely need our numbers. Are you ready to count with me from 1 to 12?
Oui, I'm ready.
Excellent. I'll say it and you repeat after me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12.
12.
Très bien. Wonderful. Now let's quickly go over the days of the week. Do you remember how to say Monday?
Lundi?
Perfect. And then comes mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, et dimanche. That was our warm-up. Now let's dive into our main topic.
Okay, I'm ready.
Great. The first thing we need to know is how to ask for the time. In English, we say, what time is it? The main phrase in French is, Quelle heure est-il?
Quelle heure est-il? It sounds a bit formal.
It is the standard, correct way to ask, and it's perfect for your A1 level. Let's break it down. Quelle means what or which. Heure means hour or time, and est-il is it. So literally, what hour is it?
Right, that makes sense. Quelle heure est-il?
Exactly. Notice the liaison, the linking of sounds. We don't say heure est, we smoothly connect them. Heurette. Quelle heurette?
Heurette. Okay, let me try the whole phrase. Quelle heure est-il?
C'est parfait. That's perfect. Let's say it 3 more times to really get it into our memory. Répétez après moi. Quelle heure est-il?
Quelle heure est-il?
Encore une fois. One more time. Quelle heure est-il?
Quelle heure est-il?
Magnifique. Now you know how to ask. But what about answering?
Yes, how do I answer?
The answer almost always begins with il est, which means it is. Simple, right?
Il est. Okay, got it.
Now let's look at the clock. If it's 1 o'clock, we say il est 1 heure.
1 heure? Na un heure?
Excellent question, Avery. This is a very important point. The word for hour, heure, is a feminine noun in French. So for 1 o'clock, we must use the feminine form of 1, which is une. Il est 1 heure.
Ah, okay, because heure is feminine. Il est 1 heure.
Exactly. Now for all the other hours, it gets a bit easier. We use the number followed by the word heures with an S on the end because it's plural. So for 2 o'clock, what do you think we say?
Okay, so il est 2 heures.
Oui, c'est ça. Il est 2 heures. Fantastic. Let's practice with a few more. How would you say it is 3 o'clock?
Il est 3 heures.
Parfait. And it is 5 o'clock?
Il est 5 heures.
Excellent. See, you're getting it. The S at the end of heures is silent, but it's important for writing. What about 8 o'clock?
Il est 8 heures.
Très bien. And 12 o'clock?
Il est 12 heures.
You're doing wonderfully, Avery. You've got the basic structure down perfectly. Now let's put it all together in a mini conversation.
Okay, a conversation. Let's do it.
I am going to ask you the time, and I want you to answer based on the time I give you. D'accord?
D'accord, I'm ready.
Okay, let's imagine it is 4 o'clock. Avery, quelle heure est-il?
Il est 4 heures.
Très bien. Now let's say it is 1 o'clock. Quelle heure est-il?
Il est 1 heure. I remembered the une.
I noticed. That was fantastic. Okay, another one. It's 11 o'clock. Quelle heure est-il?
Il est 11 heures.
Magnifique. Now why don't you try asking me?
Okay. Diana, quelle heure est-il?
Il est 7 heures. You see? It's a real conversation. You're doing it.
This feels great. I can ask and answer.
It is great. And that brings us to a very important part of our lesson, the exam practice section.
The exam? Okay, I'm a little nervous.
Don't be. This is just to get you comfortable with the types of questions an A1 examiner might ask. I will be the examiner, and you, Avery, will be the student. I'll ask a question, and for our listeners, I want you to try and answer out loud in the pause before Avery gives his answer.
Okay, so I'm providing a sample answer for the listeners. I can do that.
Exactly. Let's begin. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Quelle heure est-il, s'il vous plaît?
Il est 10 heures.
Très bien. Now for a question we will learn more about in our next episode, but it uses time. À quelle heure tu te réveilles? This means, at what time do you wake up? You can answer simply with à and the time.
Okay, à quelle heure tu te réveilles? I'll say I wake up at 7, so à 7 heures.
Perfect. A simple, correct answer. That's all the examiner needs. One more. À quelle heure tu manges le soir? At what time do you eat in the evening?
Let's say 8 o'clock. À 8 heures.
Excellent. See? The exam questions aren't there to trick you. They just want to see if you can communicate simple information. You did a wonderful job, Avery.
Merci, Diana. That wasn't so scary after all.
Not at all. Now it's time for our listener practice round. This time, Avery will be quiet. I'm going to ask you, our listener, quelle heure est-il? 3 times. I'll say a time in English first, and then I'll ask in French, and I want you to answer out loud in French. Are you ready?
Right, so the listener is speaking now.
Yes. Okay, listener, let's pretend it is 6 o'clock. Quelle heure est-il? The correct answer is il est 6 heures. Did you get it right? I bet you did.
I'm sure they did.
Next one. The time is 2 o'clock. Quelle heure est-il? The answer is il est 2 heures. Allez, one more for good luck. The time is 1 o'clock. Be careful with this one. Quelle heure est-il? And the answer is il est 1 heure. Bravo!
That's a great way to practice.
It is. And this brings me to a key point for confidence building. In your A1 exam and in real life, clarity is more important than complexity. The examiner doesn't want a long, complicated sentence. They want a short, correct answer.
So, saying il est 3 heures is better than trying to say something complicated and making a mistake?
100%. Saying il est 3 heures with confidence shows you understand the question and know the structure. That's what gets you the points. Don't be afraid to be simple. Simple is correct.
That's really encouraging to hear. Keep it simple.
That's a great mindset to have. Now, you've perfectly mastered telling time on the hour, but what happens when it's not exactly on the hour? What about the minutes?
Oh, that's a great question. I have no idea how to say it's 10 past 2. Quelle heure est-il?
Excellent. And how do you start your answer?
Il est.
Perfect. And what is the special rule for 1 o'clock?
You have to say 1 heure because heure is feminine.
Fantastique. You have learned the foundations of telling time in French. You should be very proud of your progress.
I am. Thank you, Diana. This was a great lesson.
You're very welcome, Avery. And thank you to all our listeners for joining us. Keep practicing. Try asking a friend or family member, quelle heure est-il today? In our next lesson, episode 9, we're going to build on what we learned and start talking about your daily routine in French. It's going to be very useful.
Ooh, daily routines. I can't wait.
Until then, au revoir et à bientôt.
Au revoir.
Thanks for joining us on French Conversations for Beginners. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more episodes. See you next time.